Hi, and thanks for your interest in this video.
And in the next minute or so, my wife Wendy is going to tell you about one of the most popular places to stay next time you visit Chicago.
If you're looking for a truly luxury stay in downtown Chicago, check out the Langham Chicago. This hotel is known for its calm, elegant vibe and incredible views of the Chicago River and skyline. The rooms feel modern and spacious, with floor-to-ceiling windows and a very polished, high-end finish. One of the biggest highlights is the service. It's consistently described as warm, professional, and detail-focused. Guests also love the spa and indoor pool, which make this hotel feel more like a relaxing retreat than a busy city stop. The downside? It's definitely on the expensive side, and some travelers say it's quieter and more low-key than trendier boutique hotels. Overall, if you want refined luxury and top-tier comfort right in the heart of the city, the Langham Chicago is a standout choice.